What up, Smart Rabbit Gang? Today, again, it's another SoundCloud week video, and I'm going to show you step by step the whole process of what happened over 30 days. Now, in order to show you guys and girls exactly what it could do in these 30 days, all I did was use one site and I bought every single one of their key features. So the profile went from 0 followers with 0 streams and no songs. I uploaded one song, and then in 30 days, here were the results. Yeah. That's insane. Every day when I would check the stats, every day when I would hit the refresh button and see the changes in the numbers, here were my reactions.
Look at that, it actually worked. Wow, look at all those comments. I love that. Whoa, everything doubled. Everything doubled. Yo.
And these are actual reactions, okay? Because I documented the entire process. So every one of these reactions are straight from me doing this entire process. Now, after you do anything that I show you in this video, there's things that are $10, there's things that are $20. After you try any of these things, I want to know your results because I want to see if they differ. And if you send them to me, I'll shout you out at the end of the month when I do a SoundCloud wrap up, okay? And you can message me on Instagram at Rob_level, or you can go to my SoundCloud and message me, okay? At soundcloud.com/RobLevel. I'll put all the links below. And I'm going to show you everything from day 0 to day 30, all right? I have other videos on the channel that break down individual key pieces, but in this video, I'm gonna show you the whole journey, step by step, day by day. But if you want more information on a specific one of the key features, go check out those videos after you watch this video. I'll put links for all those videos below. And by the way, before we get started, I wanna let you know that not all these things cost money. I was seeing results from free stuff, okay? So you invest about 10-15 minutes a day and you're gonna see great results by the end of the month. You don't have to have money. Okay? I spent a lot of time and energy for you guys testing everything across this site as well as documenting every piece, every day that I went in there, how I felt about the things that were happening, watching the numbers grow, and how I did every single thing. I shot videos for every single one of these things. I recorded myself going in there and doing that. And I'll give you those videos for free, and this is how I can also prove that it's real to you, that I really did this. And I'm gonna send you the course for free, which actually usually costs money because I also teach you how to use other tools like SoundCloud Manager and stuff like that. And usually I charge like $50 for that course, but if you're a smart rapper, I'm gonna give it to you for free. Just sign up below. Okay, let's do it. So as you know, I upload one new song every month, okay? That's what I'm doing now to get it going before the end of the year. The last song that I released has over 200,000 streams on Spotify already, but I don't use SoundCloud at all, really. They don't pay me for my streams, so I'm like, why waste my time and my energy promoting it? But I did want to find a tool for you smart rappers who do use SoundCloud and who do promote SoundCloud so that you can grow it faster. Okay, let's get into every step here that I went through. Here are the day-by-day steps that I took in full detail. And here's what's great about this. I can assume, because I started with a brand new profile, that if I was able to do this, that you can replicate what I'm about to show you and you can get the same results or better. Because you may already have followers. I had 0 followers. When you already have followers when you start, people take you a little bit more seriously. And I also only had one song. You probably have more than one song, don't you? All right, day 1, I created a brand new SoundCloud profile. And I also paid for a whole year of SoundCloud Pro. Not saying you have to do that, but it helps. Now on this day, I didn't do anything but make a brand new profile. I added a picture, I connected it to the other sites. And again, I did this to test every single one of this site's key features to see if it would help a profile from absolute 0 grow. Now, day 2, here are the results that I saw just from connecting my profile to Repost Exchange. I got this many streams simply because I put my song in there because other users were able to click it to potentially repost it. So I got streams like this from real people. Now for dirt cheap, because I really wanted to see how well this would work, you get credits for reposting somebody else's music to your page, which means you could build up credits fairly quickly and you get credits just for logging in every day. So I pretended like I had been doing this for a week maybe, okay, on free level, and I bought 1,000 credits for dirt cheap. I think it was less than 20 bucks. Now there are certain limitations on the free level because there's upgraded levels that unlock more features, but I wanted to test to see what happens on the free level with 1,000 credits as if I had earned them. And then I spent about 30 seconds setting up a campaign in Repost Exchange, and then I walked away. And then the next day I pressed the refresh button on my SoundCloud, and here's what I saw.
Okay, wow, 47 reposts. Holy crap.
I was so impressed that I was like, wow, what would happen if I would have used these credits and I had an upgraded account, because you can target your people better with a $10 network plan. So I upgraded, which is nothing really, to be able to reach more people, to remove those limitations, get more features, and get what are considered boost. After seeing what 1,000 credits did for me for barely any money, which you could have gotten on free level, I bought 2,500 credits to see what kind of damage I could do with that. Then I used those credits to see if they work more efficiently because I had upgraded to the network plan, which allows you to target only hip hop users instead of it being broader. Because in the free level, anybody on the site can repost you, even EDM people if they want to repost you and stuff like that. But with an upgraded plan, you can key in and target directly on hip hop fans, which is what we want, right? And for $10, it's definitely worth it. Plus the other things that it comes with when you upgrade. The network plan also allows you to have boost, and a boost boosts you to the top of the browse campaign. So when somebody clicks browse campaigns to go and repost your music, you're right there at the top, meaning you're gonna get streams from every single person who clicks it, real streams, real people listening. And then number two, you're gonna have a higher likelihood of them reposting you because they see you, they're streaming you, and then they might repost you. Now from here, I didn't touch it at all, okay? We're talking about I've spent less than 10 minutes on this site total at this point, okay? So I took the 2,500 credits that I just got and I set another campaign, but now we're on the network level, so it's gonna reach more targeted people. So I was excited to see the results of this. And then I just sat there and then I came back 3 days later. So now we're on day 6 and I haven't touched it for 3 days, right? And here were the results of me using those credits.
800. That's cool. Let's see what that did for us. Okay, see the before numbers. Please, please, please be amazing. Please. Whoa. 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 Everything doubled. Everything doubled. Yo. Shut up.
Crazy, right? Then the next day, on day 7, I bought another feature that they have, which is called a follower campaign, which is super smart because I wanted to see if this would work. It basically allows you to, instead of trading credits, you buy a follower campaign and the user who follows you gets credits for following you, and they're not allowed to unfollow you for 14 days. And most people don't remember to unfollow people, so they stay following you. So when you're releasing music, you can turn those people into fans. And you have followers, okay? So this is a great way to automatically go from 0 followers to 500 followers without having to be concerned at all. And if you're good, you're gonna retain them. Maybe you'll drop 50 people, but you now have real followers. Those are real people who are obviously using their SoundCloud every day because they're logging in to Repost Exchange, okay? Which means they're actually more valuable than a person that just follows you out of the blue and only uses SoundCloud every so often. You get me? Now the real reason I did this was, one, to test the feature to see if it worked and how well it worked, and then how many people would potentially unfollow, which happened to be barely any, like barely any. And then number 2, it was to add more social proof to the profile, okay? The more social proof you have, the faster you grow. And if you don't know what social proof is when it's like society, it's social. The better your numbers are on your profile, the more seriously the person takes you. If I see somebody's like, I'm a rapper, and you have 10 followers, how seriously do you take them? But if you say, I'm a rapper, and they have 50,000 followers, you take them seriously. At least a little bit more, right? If not a lot, right? That's because they have social proof. It's socially acceptable to like their music. That's part of group dynamic. It's part of our evolutionary chain. When we see that other people like other things, we like to fit in and see why they like them, and we're part of the circle of people that like it. So social proof is, from an evolutionary standpoint, super, super useful. So getting these 500 followers was definitely gonna help me get my next 500. Okay, and then my next 10,000, and then my next 20,000 as I grow this. And I'm gonna release a video every month showing you the results of what this site does for my new single every month, and you're gonna be able to launch that. And again, if you DM me on Instagram, Rob_level, or SoundCloud.com/RobLevel, message me and tell me the results that you got from using these things. I'll shout you out in these videos, and you'll probably gain some followers, okay? But let's keep going. 2 days later, on day 9, I saw the results of the follower test. Was it worth it?
Oh yeah!
Yeah, here's what happened.
Now let's go ahead and refresh. Okay. All right. Look at that. It actually worked. Wow. Okay, so wow, 536. Wow. I can't believe that. Wow, that works.
As if that wasn't already amazing, wait till you see what happens next. I then bought their big dog SoundCloud promotion package that's called a managed campaign, which blasts my song to 500,000 people at the same time. Yeah, 500,000 people from one blast. And that's not even what's crazy. The results were what was crazy.
Oh. Hey, yo. Yo. What? Yo. No. There's no fucking way that happened. Are you serious? Yo. I'm not even gonna... I had to turn the camera on. I wish you guys would have saw my face when I saw this. For one, I honestly thought that the followers were gonna go down. This is outstanding. Number one, for me to have gained this much. Okay, let's go to the stats now. Let's go look at this stuff too.
Everything from the SoundCloud managed campaign package from Repost Exchange tripled to quadrupled all of my numbers. I didn't even think it was real. I honestly did not think that it was real at first. I thought that, oh, the guys who own this, they're boosting the numbers. There's no way in hell this is real. But then to test, I did two things. I have a tester tool to see if certain accounts are real on SoundCloud. So I used the tester tool and they came back as, what was it, 94%? I think it's 94% of it was real, which means that the 6% was probably just a small error, and they were real people too, but it was not including accounts that weren't that active. But then I manually went through too, and I looked at all the comments. I started looking at the comments. These were real comments. I started going through and I started looking at the people who reposted. These are real profiles. They have followers. They're engaging. I'm like, this is real, and this is crazy. It's at this moment when I started taking SoundCloud a little bit more seriously, okay? Because I saw the potential that I have to just run SoundCloud using this tool, using Repost Exchange, and dumping money into every single as marketing to grow and grow and grow. Because I never took SoundCloud seriously before. Of course, I'm still not gonna drive traffic to it because that's not my thing. I'd rather get money from Spotify and Apple Music and everything like that. But I'm definitely gonna be using SoundCloud now. And again, at the end of every month, I'm gonna show you what this site did for my new single. Or you can follow me, soundcloud.com/RobLevel. All the links are below. Isn't that nuts? I was only on day 14 at this point. This is 14 days into creating a brand new SoundCloud profile and having only logged into this thing 4 or 5 times for a total of less than 20 minutes. So I didn't want to stop this, right? So day 15, I bought another 2,000 credits. And then on day 17, I came back 2 days later. So day 25 came and I set the rest of the credits that I had in my balance to run over the next 5 days until the end of the 30-day mark. Right? So I just set them into a campaign and I let it go. Now day 30 came. We had the final results. Here were the results after 1 month of using Repost Exchange from a brand new profile. Now this is 100% real and legit, and you can go look at everything on soundcloud.com/RobLevel, and you can see the followers, the likes, and the reposts for all the people is real. You can look at how they're engaging. Okay, now this is the only thing I used to grow my SoundCloud, and the results are absolutely beautiful. I did not expect this at all. Most people never get these numbers. Most people don't get even a quarter of these numbers, and especially when it came to the comments and the likes and the repo. People don't get these numbers. So now, because I love this, I am going to use this every single month for my songs. Okay, and at the end of every month, I'm going to show you a wrap up of what it did. I want to see if I can get to 10,000 followers over the course of 6 months, because then I can show you guys, and I'm going to document the whole thing. I can show you guys how to do it too, right? Imagine having 10,000 followers on SoundCloud. I started from scratch. You might be there right now, but this will give you hope. So seeing as how this is legit, and you guys know I don't promote everything at Smart Rapper. I get offered, I turn on a lot of money because I'm like, I'm not promoting that. But I went and tested this, and I was like, oh wow. I just wanted to make one video about it, right? Happened to be like, oh, and I'm gonna make a bunch of videos. This is all cool. So I reached out to the CEO and I said, hey man, give me something I can give to my fans, then put into these videos. So anybody who signs up, I'm gonna put the link below. Anybody who signs up, you're gonna get 30 free bonus credits that nobody else gets. Only smart rappers get this, okay? Even at the free level. You don't have to buy anything, okay? So go sign up, you can get 30 extra credits, which is gonna give you a reach of 3,000 extra people, okay? Because each credit's worth 100 people reach. Or you can use the code SmartRapper to get your 30 free credits, okay? Or if you don't want to go to the description, you can go to smartrapper.com/RE. Now, if you want more SoundCloud secrets and strategies and all types of stuff for Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, I have marketing strategies for everything that you can use for whatever you want, Spotify, Apple Music. I have all the tips and the tricks, okay? Because I've been testing them in order to push the go button on everything that's coming up, okay? But I have a music marketing masterclass that you're going to be able to get your hands on, okay? So if you want to be updated on that, I'm going to put a link below, and you're going to see, well, actually what I have coming is insane. Either way, the link's going to be below. But remember, I have all the marketing strategies that you usually can only pay for by buying it from somebody else. If you have these marketing strategies, you can start your own music promotion company, okay? I'm gonna put links below for this stuff. And what's beautiful about this is if you learn how to market your own music, you'll never, ever have to pay someone else to market your music. So you're saving tens of thousands of dollars in your career because you understand marketing. And you need marketing for your music. If you can't get your music heard, it's like your song doesn't even exist. You could be like, I have an amazing song. Rob, how do I get it heard? How do I get more fans? How do I get more listeners? That, I get asked that 100 times a day. It's because everybody wants to get their music heard. And knowing how to promote your music by doing something like taking my music marketing masterclass or getting your hands on what I have coming on Black Friday is going to change everything for you, okay? If I did this on SoundCloud that I don't even use, imagine what I can do on everything else. Hit subscribe for me and press that little bell because I got tons more videos coming. And if you want to see the key features of everything that I went through, I made individualized videos for all of them. I'm gonna put some videos up here for you, and I'm also gonna put the links below to all of those, okay? If this helped you, be sure to leave a comment. Follow me on soundcloud.com/RobLevel, and follow me and DM me on Instagram at Rob_level. A lot more information coming. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.
Small rapper, gang.